Welcome to our YouTube channel Home Decor Design Ideas. Get ready to transform your backyard into a stunning oasis with our incredible home garden landscaping ideas for 2024. In this must-watch video, we'll guide you the hottest trends and innovative designs for home garden landscaping. From fascinating flowerbed arrangements to charming patio designs, we've got it all covered. Plus, we'll show you expert tips on how to optimize your space and create a relaxing ambiance with the right plants and accessories. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your outdoor experience and turn your backyard into your own personal paradise. Start planning your dream garden today. Discover innovative ways to incorporate water features, outdoor seating areas, and beautiful plant arrangements that will enhance the overall ambiance of your garden. We will also showcase the latest trends in sustainable gardening, including vertical gardens and eco-friendly materials. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this video will provide you with inspiration and practical ideas to create a personalized and inviting outdoor sanctuary. Get ready to unleash your creativity and embark on a journey of transforming your home garden into a true paradise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on home and garden design. Let's make 2024 the year of breathtaking landscapes.